Well, folks, it's certainly another cold morning outside. We've seen plenty of these over the past several mornings, and today will be another cold day, right? So right now we're 4 degrees in Springfield, 1 degree Raleigh, 0 in Lake Ozarks, 0 in Clinton right now. It's cold, single digits to about 10 degrees from south to north, okay? It's cold no matter where you are. Wind chills right now, I don't even want to talk about it. 10 to 15 degrees below zero right now, 10 degrees below zero in Springfield. Minus 16 in Raleigh, minus 10 in Clinton. Feels like minus 2 down in Branson right now. So the winds this morning are a little breezier from what they were yesterday morning, okay? And it's not just here. Again, it's cold everywhere. You got 8 degrees below zero Kansas City, parts of Iowa, Nebraska, 10 to 15 degrees below zero right now in air temperatures. Even down to the south and southeast, it's cold. 20 degrees in Little Rock, and they're in the 20s and freezing along the Gulf Coast this morning. And that's important because guess what? They got a little winter storm they're dealing with along the Gulf Coast, okay? This is a far southeast Gulf Coast snowstorm. There's actually a blizzard warning mixed in for southern Louisiana right now. But we're looking at snow from Houston to New Orleans, eventually over to Mobile and Pensacola, Panama City, parts of northern Florida. Yeah, they're looking at a winter storm warning for today, okay? And right, like there's that blizzard warning mentioned earlier, right here near Lake Charles in southern Louisiana. Very, very rare. It has happened before, back in 1895, long time ago. Had something very similar happen, I guess, but it really doesn't happen that often, okay? And they're not just looking at an inch of snow, they're looking at a couple inches of snow. So Houston already, 2 to 3 inches of snow there. And again, with that blizzard warnings in play in southern Louisiana, also seeing about 2 to maybe 3 inches of snow so far. And they got more snow on the way. Snow's not over with just yet for them, as parts of New Orleans, Mobile, Pensacola could see 3, 4, 5. Some of the latest data says, yeah, over 8 inches of snow in New Orleans. Big time snow worries down to the southeast. Here locally, no snow, but there's plenty of cold air, right? From the Springfield Tower camera, cold, 4 degrees, a northwest wind at 9 miles an hour. Wind chills today will be brutally cold. This morning we're well below zero. Air temperatures single digits. We'll get to the teens this afternoon. The wind chills today will be staying in the single digits, okay? So 20 degrees, sunny, but feeling really, really cold. Tonight, we're in the teens. Winds become breezy tonight, and that'll help warm us up to about 40 degrees tomorrow. A warmer day tomorrow, but still kind of a wind chill, feeling like the 20s and 30s, but warmer, all right? So relief is on the way. There is a cold front coming through Wednesday into Thursday. That'll cool us back down to the chillier feel of the 30s on your Thursday. And after this, folks, as we wrap up the month of January, about a week away from now, it looks like we won't be seeing any more dips, won't be seeing any more boosts in temperatures, though, either. It looks like pretty stable with plenty of days in the 40s, nights in the 20s as we get through the weekend and the better part of next week, guys.